One way we have to divide polynomials is with long division. And before we look at polynomial long division, let's remind ourselves what normal long division looks like. Let's look at 562 divided by 3. The first step would want to know how many times does 3 go into 5. So we write a 1 above the 5, we multiply 1 times 3 to get 3, and then we subtract this value. That gives us 2. The next step, we would bring the next number down. We now want to know how many times 3 can go into 26. And our answer is 8, so we write an 8 above the 6. We multiply 8 times 3 to get 24 and subtract this value. 26 minus 24 gives us 2. We bring down the next number. We look at how many times 3 can go into 22, which is 7. Multiply 7 times 3 to get 21 and subtract. We have 1 left over, so we have the solution to our problem. We have the quotient of 187. The remainder of 1 would give us a fraction of 1/3. We can divide polynomials similarly. So let's consider this problem. 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 divided by x minus 4. The first step is to set up the problem in this long division form. Then I'm going to look at my first two terms, my x and my 2x squared. And I want to divide them. 2x squared divided by x would be 2x. So we put this above the x term. We then multiply 2x times x is x squared, and 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. We now want to subtract this value. So we'll have a minus 2x squared plus 8x. That gives us 15x, and we bring down the next term. Once again, we're going to think of just the leading terms. 15x divided by x, which would be 15. Next, we multiply 15 times x minus 4. When we do that, we get 15x minus 60. And once again, we're going to subtract this, so we change our sign all the way through. And we're left with the number 57. Since there are no more terms to bring down, we're done with the problem. Our solution is 2x plus 15. We had a remainder of 57, so 2x plus 15 plus 57 over x minus 4. Let's look at this problem here. X cubed plus 2x minus 14 divided by x plus 2. It's important to note that there's no x squared term in this first polynomial, but when I write it in my long division form, I need to make sure to account for that. This means that under the division bar, we're going to have x cubed plus 0x squared plus 2x minus 14. And we start with our leading terms, x cubed divided by x. That would give us a value of x squared. We then multiply x squared times x plus 2, which gives x cubed plus 2x squared. We subtract this, which gives us negative 2x squared, and then we bring down the next term. We then divide negative 2x squared by x. When we do, we get negative 2x. We write this at the top and then multiply negative 2x times x plus 2, which gives us negative 2x squared minus 4x. Subtract this to get 6x, and then we bring down the next term. We divide 6x by x, which gives us 6, multiply 6 times x plus 2, which gives 6x plus 12, subtract, which gives us negative 26, and then we have our answer. X squared minus 2x plus 6 minus 26 over x plus 2.